host family, I'm Tamiris Adorna and I have 22 years old. I live with my parents and my younger sister in Jaú, São Paulo. I'm graduated in literature and I've been teaching for 5 years. My students are teenagers and kids.
Should I, could I have said the wrong things right 1,000 times? If I could just rewind, I see it in my mind. If I could turn back time, it'd still be mine.
I want to be an au pair because I want to improve my English and know more about the American culture. What is most important in my decision that to be an au pair, it was my relationship with kids. I love being with them, help for her development, with homework, play with the kids and all the things that were involved. I will teach and learn with this experience. I want to be really a big sister. I think to be an au pair isn't just be caring so they don't hurt or taking care of kids. The au pair needs to be more, because parents work all day, so we have to participate of their education and all the things of kids. These are my parents. This is my daddy Edson.
Hi.
This is my mom Mari.
Hello.
And they are giving me all the support for my exchange. This is my little sister Tamara, and she's very excited with my exchange. Say hello, Tamara. Hello. This is my boyfriend Felipe, and he's so happy with my exchange. Say hello to them.
Hello.
I'm a personal makeup, and I have a blog too. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you choose me as your au pair.